Evolution is a natural and constant process that is the result of limiting factors such as competition for food, space, and mates. Organisms most adapted to acquiring these will be able to reproduce, passing the successful traits on to their offspring. Charles Darwin was among the first to observe this phenomenon, concluding that organisms change based on their environment. Evolution happens via natural selection, in which a favorable trait becomes more common, such as antibiotic resistance in bacteria. Another more visible example is European moths during the Industrial Revolution. Previously, the moth population had been predominantly light, but as an abundance of smoke pollution darkened the environment, darker moths survived better, so became more common. This illustrates how populations of the same species will be different based on the traits that suit them best to their separate environments. There are three patterns of natural selection. The first, stabilizing selection, causes a non-extreme trait to become most common. Directional selection, on the other hand, causes an extreme trait to become most common. Finally, disruptive selection causes two extremes to become common while the non-extreme trait fades out. On a larger, long-term scale, evolution explains the emergence of complex organisms. The endosymbiotic theory states that eukaryotes evolved from smaller bacteria that were absorbed into larger bacteria, becoming organelles. As such, the order of evolution is thought to be prokaryotes, eukaryotes, invertebrates, and finally vertebrates, with the development of respiration made possible when photosynthetic organisms added oxygen to the atmosphere. Evidence of evolution throughout the planet's history can be found in fossils, which are aged partly using the law of superposition, which states that deeper rock layers are older. The greatest indicators of evolution in fossils and modern organisms are homologous, analogous, and vestigial structures. Homologous structures are those that are similar but may have different functions in different organisms, suggesting a common ancestor, such as the arm bones in humans and the leg bones in dogs. Analogous structures are those with the same function but different structure, showing that organisms without common ancestors can evolve in different ways to suit the same environment, such as butterfly and bat wings. Finally, vestigial structures are those that no longer serve a purpose but rather indicate a need had by an ancestor, such as wisdom teeth in humans. Evolution continues to occur at all times as organisms adapt to their ever-changing planet.